Here's how you can make
Craig Spideys!
from Craig of the Creek.
The snack that won't bite back. Craig Spideys! I'm definitely gonna win that competition.
It's arts and crafts. It's not a recipe. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. I don't see how he thought he was going to impress people with this Craig's Spider recipe. This is not impressive. It's basically a protein bar, but in their case, it was a piece of chocolate. And then using a chopstick, I poke some holes so I can stick in the pretzel sticks. And for the eyes, I used Nerds. I didn't know they even sold Nerds anymore. I'm not even expecting anything much anymore from Craig of the Creek. It's probably the worst show in terms of recipes. They've never made anything that was edible or unique. We made their nasty cheese sticks, which was borderline unedible. The frozen yogurt drink, which was completely unedible because you froze a piece of plastic and you couldn't remove it, so I couldn't even eat it. And then PB&J, which isn't even their creation. He just made a PB&J sandwich like it was something special. And now we have chocolate spiders, which is basically just a protein bar. Out of creativity, I'm giving this a 1.2 out of 10.